Welcome to New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast. I'm your host, Sue Pets, and I created New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast to share how you can transform your business from challenge to triumph. Yeah, my journey from zero sales to consistent daily revenue, and now without me being involved into my business, taught me that success is a decision. And now I empower entrepreneurs like you to break through barriers and build thriving businesses. Yeah, I have three steps wherever you want. You can join. For example, first one is Rapid Revenue Blueprint. It is a fast track for monetizing your digital products, combining AI and spiritual insights for quick and effective results. And I also give ready-made digital products if you don't want to create your own. When I got started, I was being told that you can see real money only after 3 years. I didn't like that. That's why this is the Rapid Revenue Blueprint where you can see money coming within 90 days. Then Passive Empire, where at some stage people want to minimize their time commitment into business and they want the money to be coming passively, and automate your business, delegate your daily task, and just see with your minimum involvement how you can have consistent flow of income with ease. Lastly, Infinite Prosperity. Unlike all other businesses, here we are teaching you can achieve success in each and every area of your life. You can have success in all positive areas of your life, blending strategic action with spiritual growth. So my system of leveraging ready-made digital products and AI custom GPTs is designed for immediate impact. Follow my clear step-by-step instructions. Launch your digital business successfully without technical stress. All obstacles are removed. And how? We'll find out more through our podcast. So welcome and listen to again another great upcoming episode.
So let's talk about your marketing platform. Are you paying for something that feels, well, way more powerful than you actually need? That's the big question we're diving into today. We're going to take a hard look at ActiveCampaign and this dilemma that so many users are facing. Is there a simpler, more affordable way to get the job done? Maybe even better?
Seriously, pull up your last monthly bill. Now, think about the features you really use every single day. See that gap between what you're paying for and what you're actually getting? For a whole lot of people, that gap is just getting too big to ignore, and it's pushing them to see what else is out there.
You know, ActiveCampaign came with this big promise, right? To be the one-stop shop for serious marketers. It had all the bells and whistles, advanced email workflows, a slick CRM for managing your customer relationships, and these detailed sales pipeline tools. I mean, on paper, it looks like a dream. But for a lot of folks, the day-to-day reality, well, it tells a very different story.
And that reality usually starts right here, with the price tag. Just to get in the door, just for the basics, you're looking at $99 a month. That's just the price of admission, before you even get to touch all those fancy advanced tools that probably got your attention in the first place.
But it's not just about the money. We hear the same frustrations over and over again. The setup is a real headache. There's this super steep learning curve because you're buried under a mountain of features you'll probably never use. And when you get stuck, the support can be painfully slow. It's that classic problem of paying for an industrial-strength sledgehammer when all you really needed was a good old-fashioned hammer.
But here's the good news. If any of that sounds even a little bit familiar, you are not stuck. The market has totally responded to this, and now there are some seriously powerful, much simpler, and way more affordable alternatives that give you exactly what you need, without all the extra cost and complexity.
Let's take a quick look at 3 of the top contenders. If you want a true all-in-one experience that just covers everything, System.io really stands out as the best overall pick. Now, if your business is all about sales and client relationships, HubSpot CRM is an absolute powerhouse. And if you just need affordable, no-nonsense email automation, MailerLite is a fantastic choice.
So to really see the difference, let's put ActiveCampaign in the ring, head-to-head with our top overall alternative, System.io.
We're going to compare them on all those key pain points we talked about, the price, the features, and just how easy it is to actually use.
All right, let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets interesting. ActiveCampaign starts you at $99 for 1,000 contacts. Sistema.io, it has a totally free plan to start, and its full featured plan for that same 1,000 contacts is just $19. But watch what happens when you grow to 10,000 contacts. ActiveCampaign's price skyrockets to $229 a month, while Sistema.io is still only $49.
And here's what that looks like visually. It's just wow. For the exact same number of contacts, 10,000, you're looking at $229 versus just $49. This isn't a small difference, right? It's a massive financial gap that just gets wider and wider as you grow. To put it another way, for what you'd pay for 2 months of ActiveCampaign, you could get almost a whole year of System.io.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. It says you're paying 4.7 times more with ActiveCampaign for a more complex platform. Let that sink in for a second. This completely reframes the decision. You're not just paying more money, you're literally paying a premium for more complexity. It's not about features anymore. It's about the real value you're getting for your dollar.
So what are you actually getting for that extra cash? Well, ActiveCampaign is great at automation, no doubt. But if you need to build sales funnels or host an online course or run your own affiliate program, you've got to go out and buy and plug in a bunch of other tools. Sistema.io, on the other hand, has all of that built right in from the get-go. It's the real deal when it comes to being all-in-one.
And having everything in one place makes a huge difference in the user experience. Remember that complex setup frustration? While System.io is designed so you can be up and running in a few hours, not the weeks of configuration and training that ActiveCampaign often demands. That right there is a massive saving in time, energy, and, let's be honest, sanity.
Okay, so with all of that on the table, how do you choose the right platform for you? It really all comes down to what your business actually needs. So let's break it down and find your perfect fit.
It's pretty straightforward. If you're looking for all that all-in-one power but at a tiny fraction of the cost, Systeme.io is the clear winner. If your whole world revolves around a strong sales pipeline, then HubSpot's incredible CRM is going to be your best friend. For just pure, simple, affordable automation, MailerLite is tough to beat. And hey, for you creators out there who just want simplicity above all else, platforms like ConvertKit and Podia are fantastic choices.
Of course, there's always one last hurdle, and that's the fear of actually making the switch. I get it. It can feel like this huge, overwhelming project. But it really doesn't have to be. Let's just break it down into a super simple, manageable plan.
Look, it's just 3 steps. First, create a free account on the new platform so you can test it out. That takes, 5 minutes? Next, you export all your contacts and workflows from ActiveCampaign, which usually takes about an hour. And finally, you import that data and rebuild your most important automations. For most businesses, you can get the entire switch done in less than a single workday. It's totally doable.
So what's the bottom line here? Look, ActiveCampaign is a powerful piece of software. It's enterprise grade, but that's the key word right there, enterprise. Most small and medium-sized businesses are just paying this huge premium for power and complexity that, if we're being honest, they will never ever use.
And that leaves us with one last, really crucial question you need to ask yourself. Your software should be a tool that makes your life easier, right? It should simplify your business. So take a good, hard look at your marketing platform and ask, is this thing really simplifying my work, or is it just making everything more complicated?
Success stories from busy professionals just like you. As a full-time project manager and dad of 2, I was skeptical about fitting another business opportunity into my packed schedule. But this system was different. The ready-made products meant I didn't have to create content from scratch. And the step-by-step implementation meant I could make progress in 30-minute chunks after the kids went to bed. I launched my first digital course in 3 weeks of evenings and weekends, and made my first sales within a month. This is the first program that worked with my real life. James T., project manager and side hustle entrepreneur.
Hello, your journey continues. Thank you for tuning into New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast. We are blessed to have you in our community. I hope today's insights inspired you for your next breakthrough. So, any resources mentioned over here, yeah, just reach us through email and we will make them available to you. And if you want other free tools which are available on our website, you can ask for those free tools too. We will be happy to provide you those free tools. Those free tools can be for a rapid revenue blueprint or passive empire system. Please reach us out via email. Your journey to infinite prosperity begins now. And thanks for being part of our community. And if you want us to make any changes, please let us know. Or if you want any more topics to be covered, we will thrive to consider those topics into our upcoming podcast. We just like to serve our audience. That's our goal. So please like and review our podcast. Your input is very, very important. Thank you. And